Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Nature's Wonders. I'm your name, and today we're diving into the fascinating, mysterious, and sometimes misunderstood world of snakes. Whether you love them, fear them, or are simply curious, I promise by the end of this episode, you'll have a newfound appreciation for these incredible creatures. So, let's slither right into it. Let's start with the basics. Snakes belong to the suborder serpents and are found almost everywhere on Earth, except Antarctica, Iceland, and a few isolated islands. With over 3,000 species, they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. The smallest snake, the Barbados thread snake, measures just about 4 inches long. Imagine holding a spaghetti noodle in your hand. On the other hand, the reticulated python, the longest snake, can stretch over 30 feet. And then there's the green anaconda, the heavyweight champion, tipping the scales at over 500 pounds. But what truly sets snakes apart isn't just their size or diversity, it's their unique anatomy. Did you know snakes have no eyelids? Instead, their eyes are covered by a transparent scale called a brill, which protects their vision. And those infamous tongues? They flick them to smell the air, using a special organ in the roof of their mouths called the Jacobson's organ. Fascinating, right? Now let's talk about their role in the environment. Snakes are incredible predators, keeping populations of rodents, insects, and even other snakes in check. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. For example, in farmlands, snakes like rat snakes are natural pest controllers, saving crops from being devoured by rodents. Without them, farmers would face significant losses. In rainforests, snakes play a role in controlling amphibian populations, ensuring a balance in these biodiverse hotspots. But it's not just about what snakes do for the environment. They also provide insights for science. Snake venom, for instance, has been used to develop life-saving medications, including treatments for blood clots and high blood pressure. Now, we can't talk about snakes without addressing the myths and fears surrounding them. Throughout history, snakes have been symbols of everything from wisdom to danger. In ancient Egypt, the cobra represented royalty and protection, often depicted on the crowns of pharaohs. In Greek mythology, Medusa's hair was made of venomous snakes, a symbol of both beauty and fear. In Hinduism, the serpent god Nagas is considered a protector and a symbol of eternity. But these awe-inspiring associations often come with fear. Many people think of snakes as dangerous killers, but here's the truth. Most snakes are harmless to humans. Of the 3,000 species, only about 600 are venomous, and even fewer are a real threat to us. Snakes are far more afraid of us than we are of them, and will usually only attack in self-defense. Let's marvel at the adaptations that make snakes such extraordinary survivors. Without limbs, they've mastered the art of movement. There's the sidewinder snake, which dances across sandy deserts, and the tree-dwelling green mamba, which moves with grace among branches. Snakes are also masters of disguise. Some, like the green tree python, blend perfectly with leaves, while others, like the coral snake, use bright warning colors to deter predators. And when it comes to eating, snakes are nothing short of spectacular. They can consume prey several times their size by dislocating their jaws, a feat that would make any contortionist jealous. Imagine swallowing a watermelon whole. That's the snake equivalent. But here's the thing, snakes are in danger. Habitat destruction, climate change, and fear-driven killings have led to declining populations. Many species, like the king cobra and the eastern indigo snake, are now vulnerable or endangered. Why should we care? Because every creature, snakes included, plays a role in the intricate web of life. Losing snakes means losing balance in ecosystems, which can have far-reaching consequences for all of us. So, what do you think about snakes now? From their incredible adaptations to their vital roles in ecosystems, snakes are far more than the villains they're often made out to be. They're survivors, symbols, and silent guardians of nature's balance. The next time you see a snake, I hope you'll look at it with a little more curiosity and a lot less fear. Because the truth is, snakes aren't just fascinating, they're essential. Outro music. Calm and reflective tone. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the mesmerizing world of snakes. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with fellow nature enthusiasts. This has been Your Name on Wild Whispers. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.